In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure that the audio scrubbing works in Davinci Resolve 17. Right, and we're in Davinci. Let me show you how this works. So if I play this clip right now, you will see in the mixer that the decibels are showing. And I've got it set to mixer, but if you have it on meters, this is how it looks for you. So you will see it moving up and down. Now, watch what happens when I just scrub through the timeline with my arrow keys. Nothing is happening right now, so I have no idea if there is audio or if I stop talking. I have to watch at the screen, look at the screen. In order for you to change that, you can go to timeline and then tick on this box, audio scrubbing, and the shortcut is Shift S. If you click it, if we play it, it still moves up and down, but now watch what happens when I move my arrow keys around. You see that it is starting to jump up and down as well, which will give me more accurate results and when the audio is present or when it has stopped, and I don't just have to look at the screen to my face. So that's a very quick way how you can work with the audio scrubbing in Davinci Resolve 17.